Hi there, this is my lock, and this is a 6-lever, yes, lever, Ingersoll padlock. There's we go, there's the key. Looks like a double bitted wafer key, but the bitting on either side actually moves levers that are pivoted in the core, and when they're all in the right position, it allows these sidebars to drop in, and that allows the core to rotate. It's a smooth operating lock. It required a little bit of an oil with some penetrating releasing oil. It was smooth, but it was quite stiff, so I put a wee spray of oil in and it's all freed up and silky smooth. Now, I've had a wee sort of look at how to get this. There are screws. There are screws down the shackle hole, and I believe there's another screw under this side of the shackle. And to get that out, you have to rotate. You can't see it, but in there, when you rotate it into the right position, there we go, just there. When you have the lock in at the right position, in that little hole here, you can see a pin comes round and lines up. It looks like it might just like knock out, but I'll have to have a play and see if I can tap that out. There's no way to tap it out from this side, so, and I've tried knocking it out, but it's quite hard to keep the shackle lined up when you do so. So we'll have a quick pick and see if we can get into it. I've had a couple of opens from it. It's the first Ingersoll padlock I've got. I've got an Ingersoll 10-lever rim cylinder, but yeah, I've not even really attempted to pick that. It's a little bit beyond my current skill level. But heavy tension and a strong pick, and I've got a light click out of the top, and we've got a good click and a bit of movement on the bottom. And then we just look for binding, felt another click and a little bit of movement there. Try not to overset anything. I think I may have overset something. I'm not feeling anything. Try the top again. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so it's all quite new to me. I'm not quite sure about interpreting exactly what I'm feeling, so it may have taken me a wee bit longer than it should have. But there we go, an Ingersoll 6-lever. I don't want to over rotate that core either. It looks like it could well be bricked by over rotating, so we'll lock it back up. There we go. Another lovely little addition. It just arrived in the post today. Ingersoll 6 lever hardened steel laminated padlock. Bit of a beast. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.